Welcome to The Explainer. We're breaking down some big ideas on wealth from the psychology of money.
Believe it or not, the answer is kind of surprising. It's all in this story about two totally different guys. So, you've got a janitor on one hand, and on the other, a top finance exec with a Harvard MBA. Meet Ronald Reed. He spent his whole life working as a janitor and at a gas station. But here's the crazy part. When he passed away, he had a secret, an $8 million fortune. So how'd he do it? Simple. Decades of patience, saving, and investing in solid blue-chip stocks. Now, Richard Fuscon was the complete opposite. He borrowed big to live this incredibly fancy lifestyle. And then 2008 happened. The financial crisis hit, and his whole world just collapsed into bankruptcy. So how on earth does that happen? Well, it gets right to the core idea of the book. See, financial success isn't a hard science. It's a soft skill. It's all about how you behave. And that brings up a really crucial point, one that almost everyone misses about wealth. Getting wealthy, that takes optimism and risk. But staying wealthy, that's about humility and paranoia. So here's your takeaway. You gotta have a survival mindset to protect what you've actually built. But it's not just about defense. It's also about mastering what is maybe the hardest financial skill there is. It's this: getting the goalpost to stop moving. Seriously, it's just knowing what enough means for you. The big trap here is social comparison. It pushes smart people to risk everything for stuff they don't even need. So what can you do? Define your own finish line. Figure out what a wealthy life actually looks like to you. Okay, so if the goal isn't just more, then what's the real purpose of money anyway? It's this: control over your time. That is the highest dividend money will ever pay you. I mean, think about it. Waking up and saying, I can do whatever I want today. That is real wealth. So true wealth isn't the fancy car. It's the money you don't spend. It's the options that it gives you. So yeah, you might have a financial plan, but what's your financial story? Your actions are writing it.